I struggle to make effective notes to keep them organized. What advice would you give to students who feel like they are not seeing progress in their understanding?
So the first part of the question, maybe go back to the first book that we studied. I believe we talked about how to take notes. Like when you're in class, just write down those things that the teacher tells you to write, or the things that require categorization. So for example, if a teacher says this is of 3 types, then it's important to write those 3 types. You don't have to say it word for word. Like you can just write a word or 2 or 3 just to remind you of what the teacher was saying. And secondly, you can re-listen to the lesson. Listen to the lesson again, or the lessons are recorded, so you listen to it again, inshallah, and that will give you a broader understanding. As for the second part of the question, they should carry on seeking knowledge. They should carry on seeking knowledge, because as long as you're attending classes, you are benefiting, and your understanding of Islam and your knowledge of the Sharia, it increases after every single gathering. You may not notice it, lakin it happens. It does happen.